I think it is very important for universities as well as present government institutions to think about how we can further encourage university autonomy. And having more buy-in from students and having a say, a legitimate and also an effective say into how institutions are run in the country, especially with regards to higher education. So when it comes to university autonomy, we're looking at issues pertaining to academic freedom for students to explore, along with their lecturers and the syllabus, as to how they can further contribute into a lifelong learning process and to strengthen the institutions in the university. Coming from Malaysia, I think that Malaysian universities are currently going through a transformative process. As recent as 2012, Malaysian university students have recently had their rights to political participation and expression returned back to them since the 1970s. So this is a very important step to allow for critical thinking to develop within students and also to be more participative and have a say into how the communities and also the universities are run. And I think this is one of the most important and major steps in promoting university autonomy. If coming from my own background and from what I've been studying, I think as the youth of today, I think we have a lot of responsibility put on our shoulders, taking the present day world into the future. And I think that all of us should take the opportunity to think a little harder, a little further, expand our thinking with more readings and references to how we can tackle and solve issues from different perspectives. Because I think the time and age where we can say that, oh, this perspective should take precedence over the next, or they seem to know more, therefore we should all listen to them, is over. I think we should begin to think more laterally, if that makes sense, and engage with issues more critically. And I think that's what's most important. So in relation to what all of this is about, I think it is very important that we continue to see how all of this play a role in making university the perfect platform for critical thinking to develop, and also to ensure that we have good governance and effective institutions, especially in higher education, as well as to provide quality education and lifelong learning for students.